my nerves. You used to hate on me, but now the tables turn. I don't fuck with you, like when you gonna learn? They try to show me fake love, but that's that type of shit that make me swerve. Yeah, that's that type of shit that make me swerve.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is the day that we are officially off to Michigan to head to M1 Concourse. Now, I don't know all the details on today's event, or should I say tomorrow's event and Thursday's event. However, what I do know is this is an event done by Chevy, in which is at M1 Concourse in Pontiac, Michigan. I am one of the attendees of the event, so I am headed up to Michigan right now, in which we will find out kind of tonight more of what we are going to be doing today, tomorrow, and the following day. So for the next 3 days, we will be in Michigan, we will be with Chevy, and we will be having a good time. I'm also excited because I'm going to get to see my bro Tony. Tony was in the vlogs probably like a year ago. Tony's from Vegas, and he's one of my dudes out there, and he's going to be just not the same exact event, but in the same location. So he is in Detroit, so we're going to be meeting up with him. So extremely excited for the next 3 days. It's going to be a blast. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure yet on what to expect. I have a 3-hour drive yet ahead of me. It's like a 4.5-hour drive total. And when I get there, I can check into the hotel, and after I check in, we then shall head to the track, in which tonight is like the registration night, starting at 5. So my call time is 5 o'clock, so I have until then, and it's currently 11:40, so I have until then. So I'm gonna really relax, just kind of enjoy this drive. It's been a little bit since I've been on a road trip with just me, so I'm definitely going to enjoy this for sure. Now, we are not in the Mini. We are in a Nissan Altima, in which was given to us by Event Link, so I did not have to drive the Mini. However, I was originally supposed to fly. A lot of people fly into the event, and that is what I was originally doing. However, then they were like, well, if you want, you can drive because you're only about 4 hours away. And if you drive, then obviously you can have the car, so you can have access to do whatever you want to do, like before and after the event. And I was like, you know what, that would be way better, because now I don't have to worry about like baggage and all that stuff on the plane, and I can just have free time. Like when I have my free time, I can have the car and the accessibility to just go wherever I want, rather than relying on an Uber and paying unnecessary fees. So when I had that option presented to me, I was definitely interested. You know, they set me up at the rental car, EventLink did, and here we are. So definitely excited about that. So I'm just about halfway. I got about 2 hours to go. Virtually been non-stop, minus like a 20-second bathroom break, but it's been kind of country the entire way, and I'm finally starting to get some like construction, city limits vibes. Thank God, because I can only take so much country, and plus I've been stuck on like these 2-lane roads. Anyhow, we got about 2 hours to go, so I will see you guys when we get there.
From high school was all up in my DM. Saw that I was on my way, and now she wanna be friends. Used to always curve me, now she wanna jerk me. I hit her with that swerve like, ho, you ain't worthy. I'm really about my goals, I'm really about my flows, I'm really about that cash.
Well, hiya. We obviously made it, and may I say, this is nice. So like, let's fast forward, or let's rewind like a year ago, right? Obviously, when I was racing, traveling all over the freaking United States racing, I had to pay for everything because, you know, when you own your own business, that's kind of what happens. You pay for everything. Now, mind you, of course, when I was racing, I was making money off sponsors, but they pay for the race. They don't pay for any of the amenities, right? Or the natural stuff you need to live, like food. But Chevy, they pay for freaking everything. Hotel, rental car, gas, food, anything that I get, plus you get paid for the event. This is freaking sick, may I say. This is like my first ever event that's not my own driving event, like being paid to do an event. So this is new to me and I'm absolutely loving it. I'll give you guys a quick room tour here. So obviously this is where you come in. I got a full kitchen set up here. And of course I've already got the food. I mean, I am trying, although they pay for my food, any money that I don't use, I get to keep. So they give me X amount of money per day to eat. So if I don't use it, then I get to keep it. So I brought my own food. Another perk of driving. Of course, as we said, you got a full kitchen here. Got my stuff up here. Of course, you got to have your coffee. They do have free coffee here 24/7. Freaking amazing. We'll get to that in a second. Got a nice little couch, sitting area, TV. We got a desk. A lot of work's going to get done here tonight. The bedroom. And then the bathroom. So as you guys see, this is a really nice place, and they have a pool, they have a hot tub, all of it's open super late, which is awesome. They have dinner offered between 5 and 9 or 6 and 9 or something like that. Unfortunately, I won't be here for dinner because I've got to go to the track here in the next hour, and tomorrow we are going to downtown to meet up with Tony and go to the bar and hang out a little bit, so I won't be here for dinner. Of course, they've got breakfast, but the best part is downstairs between the hours, I think they said 6 and 9 or 5 and 9, they've got free beer. Free beer. What? Like, that's freaking incredible. So you know that when I get an opportunity, I'm going to be on that. Either way, it is 3:33. I've got to be at the track at 5. So I'm about to eat, shower, maybe take a nap, or eat, go to the hot tub, shower, and then leave. I don't know what is on the schedule tonight, other than tonight is registration. So I'm heading to the track, got to register for everything, get everything squared away, and that's it. So I am not going to, so you guys know, I will not be able to record anything at these events. These events are private, so there's no vlogging done at the events. Of course, I'll tell you guys about them. I'll try maybe to get some video here and there if possible, maybe some pictures, but there's no going to be like vlog from the actual event. We're going out tomorrow. Like I said, we're going downtown tomorrow to meet up with Tony, which will be awesome. So I'm going to get to eating here. Let me show you guys what I got here. So I just made some chips and some cheddar cheese, which freaking awesome. Of course, you can't go wrong with that. I'm about to watch some YouTube. Oh, see right there, we got Chevy drive event. And I've got some homemade JB style chicken salad. So I'm about to indulge on that right now. I'm starved. The drive was great, a lot of country. I got closer to downtown area and traffic got really bad. But overall, Michigan, this area, Pontiac, Detroit area, I'm actually quite impressed because you know Detroit is pretty run down and pretty, just pretty run down. And this is beautiful. So I'm pretty glad about that. Other than that, this is going to end the video right here. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you guys back here next video, which will of course be day 2 from Pontiac right here. Chevy drive event. I hope you guys have a good one. If you have not already, be sure to ding the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, because I make content like this all the time. With that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Peace out, and remember, you create your own story.
Swerve, 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 swerve. Yeah, that's that type of shit.